Hi my friends, welcome back to an amazing unboxing, my fellow shoppers. So for today's video, I got something custom made for my wife. You guys can get it custom made for your kids, your aunts, your uncles, your mom, dad, husband, wife, grandparents, whoever you want. So let's go ahead and unbox this, show you guys what I got. Really cool, guys, so far. So it goes over how to. This is it. Check it out. My wife, I picked the song. You can scan it and play the song back. QR scanner, Spotify. Let's go ahead and open up, see what else is inside the box here. So you can have yours custom made in many different ways. So you guys can do it however you want. Now, what you do is you peel off, if you get the same one as me, peel off the front. That way it's nice and clear. Look how crystal clear that is. I mean, that's just incredible. That is incredible, my friends. So we opted for the lighted display. So this places right down inside here. Absolutely awesome, guys. So you have a on-off switch here. Look at the difference. Is this not cool or what? I love how the heart glows. So nice. This whole thing is really nice. As you guys can see, it shines the light up, so you can put it up against something. You guys can place it wherever you want. Absolutely an amazing gift, guys. If you want a custom gift, and again, I picked the song, I picked the text and the picture, and they did a phenomenal job with that picture as well. So you guys can have in memory of a loved one or anniversary, whatever you guys want to do. You guys can select it. Alright guys, bring up Spotify, download the app, create an account, bring it up, and that's if you select this option, you know, Spotify option, and to scan it. And then what you do is click the search bar and then click the picture at the top, and this is going to allow us to scan it. And there it is. Alright guys, so we scanned it, and now we need to go and find the song that we have here. So it's going to be Growing Old is the one I picked. So due to copyright reasons, I can't play the whole song, but I'll play parts of it and you guys can search it. It's Growing Old with You by Restless Road.
Took all of my plans and rearranged.